Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about an important topic for all movie enthusiasts and YouTubers out there: how to upload movies on YouTube without encountering copyright issues. As we all know, copyright is a serious matter, and it's crucial to respect the rights of content creators. So, let's dive into some essential tips and guidelines to help you upload movies legally on YouTube. Point number 1. Understanding copyright laws. Before we begin, let's briefly discuss copyright laws. Copyright is a legal protection granted to creators, giving them exclusive rights over their original works. Movies, music, and other forms of media are all protected by copyright. To upload a movie without copyright issues, you need to ensure you have the necessary permissions or use content that is in the public domain. Point number 2. Public domain movies. Public domain movies are films whose copyrights have expired, or those that were released with no copyright restrictions. These movies can be freely used, distributed, and uploaded without any legal issues. There are numerous websites and online archives where you can find public domain movies. Some popular examples include archive.org, publicdomainmovies.info, and the Perlinger Archives. Point number 3. Creative Commons licenses. Another way to upload movies legally on YouTube is by utilizing Creative Commons (CC) licenses. CC licenses allow content creators to share their work with specific permissions granted by the copyright holder. There are various types of CC licenses, ranging from more restrictive to more permissive. Websites like Wikimedia Commons and Creative Commons themselves provide access to movies and other medium under CC licenses. Point number 4. Fair use. Fair use is a legal doctrine that allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission, typically for purposes such as criticism, commentary, education, or parody. However, it's important to note that fair use can be subjective and is often determined through legal proceedings. If you believe your movie upload qualifies as fair use, it's crucial to provide proper context and transformative elements to support your claim. Point number 5. Licensing and permission. If you have obtained the necessary licenses or permissions from the copyright holder, you can upload the movie legally on YouTube. This typically involves contacting the movie studio, distributor, or copyright owner directly and securing the proper rights to use the content. Keep in mind that licensing can be complex and may involve financial arrangements. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these guidelines, you can upload movies on YouTube without encountering copyright issues. Remember to respect the rights of content creators and always use legal and authorized sources for your uploads. If you're unsure about the copyright status of a movie, it's best to consult with a legal professional to ensure compliance. Thank you for watching, and happy movie uploading on YouTube.